Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Delilah if you don't know already. So yeah, I've been gone for like a week or so. My bad, I could explain. So I'm gonna do an Instagram baddie makeup tutorial. I've been wanting to do this for a little bit, but I wanted to ask you guys a few questions first on Instagram to see what kind of look you wanted, and a lot of you just wanted like a basic look, so it's gonna be like a natural baddie look. And also I want to try this idea. So I met a girl, she works at a different Sephora and she does YouTube. I'll put her name on the screen. But she does this thing where like she takes samples from Sephora and she tries them out first before buying it. I'm gonna do that with the Joy foundation, and then I'm gonna do it with it's another product from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Flawless Filter. This is a foundation. This isn't a foundation. I already prepped my skin with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Yeah, so let's begin. Before I put on the foundation, I'm gonna use a little Charlotte Tilbury thing. This is what the little samples come in, and I'm gonna put it basically on the areas where I would put my highlight. So this is just something that's just gonna make your foundation look like skin. It's gonna make it look more natural. It's gonna give you that dewy ass glow. So let me tell y'all motherfuckers what I've been going through this past week that I haven't been uploading. If you guys haven't noticed by now, I have aligners in my teeth. I'm doing the whole Smile Direct Club journey. I am talking a little funny and I have a little lisp like this. My manager called it Mike Tyson, motherfucker. I've been gone for that week because, oh my god girl, that first week of Smile Direct Club, that shit, do you see my face already? With that Charlotte Tilbury filter thingy? I'm buying that shit tomorrow, I can't. So I've been doing my research obviously before I went for it. The reason why I really got it was because of one of my co-workers. She has it, and I never met anyone or known anyone that have used Smile Direct Club, and if she's using it and she's liking it so far, then you know, fuck it, let me try it. Why not? It's super affordable. So bless her soul because she's a smart woman for doing this. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Joy foundation. We finally got it in our store. I'm in the color Praline. I respect it so much that she lied to me about how she felt, because it is great. You know, I'm only on my second week. It is great, but yo, when you go to the Smile Direct Club office, they don't tell you how much that shit hurts, yo. That first week, I was so close to crying because I never ever felt a pain like that before. They don't tell you that it feels like that, you know. They only tell you, oh, you might feel a little discomfort. Discomfort my ass. I honestly don't know how to explain it. It's just a lot of pressure. Don't be like me if you like do decide to do Smile Direct Club and everything. Don't be like me and like when you see the box you get super excited and you're like, oh my god, I'm gonna put these in right now. No, you have to mentally prepare yourself. I thought that it was gonna hurt when you first put them in and when you put your new trays because they get tighter and tighter, right? Bitch, yo. It is like that because this pair isn't so bad, but that first pair that I put in my teeth, yo, at first I couldn't put them in because they were so tight and that shit did not want to go in. Is it never ending? Like, is it constant pain? You're in pain all the time, or not like, oh my god, it's unbearable. It is discomfort. Like, you feel very uncomfortable. It's just so much pressure. There is pain, yes, but it's nothing like excruciating. But yeah, it's just constant pain because when you put them in, they hurt. When you take them out, they hurt. You have to take them out every time you gotta eat. When you eat, you gotta brush your teeth, you gotta floss, mouthwash, all that shit every time. That shit hurts all the time. When you take them out, your teeth feel super sensitive. You know, you can't, like, you can eat hard stuff, but well, for me, I feel like since these are my problem areas in the front, I can't really like bite down with the front teeth. I could like take a piece off of something and boop, pop it in my mouth and eat it, cool, But like trying to eat something like hard, oh girl, that shit hurts. That's one of the reasons why I've been MIA. And also shit is starting to turn around. I've been getting my hours back at work and I'm so fucking grateful for it. I'm so happy. Like, I've been working 5 days. I've been picking up shifts. I've been picking up shifts. Well, that's something that I manifested, because I don't know if you guys have seen like my manifestation video. I'll put that, you can watch it if you want. But I manifested that in my life because I wanted to try something small. Let's move on to concealer though, because I'm talking way too much shit. So I've been pretty busy. That's pretty much it. I'm using my NARS creamy concealer in Amande, and we're gonna use a little bit of caramel as well. Today, what did I do today? Today I went to my client's house. I did her makeup. She was a bride. She came out so beautiful. She loved this so much, of course. It's so nice outside here in New York. But I'm staying in today. You know why? Because I love y'all and I need to make a new video. So I'm going to take advantage of that shit right now. I have another NARS concealer, but I'm gonna use it in vanilla. I know, super fucking light, scary, but I just want a highlighted look. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Just gonna set my eyes really quickly with my Dermablend powder. This is the powder that I always use. This is the Dermablend powder in Cool Beige. You can't be a bad bitch if you don't contour. You have to contour in order to be a bad bitch. No, I'm playing. You're already a bad bitch inside and out. So I'm gonna take my Sephora multitasker brush and I'm gonna use my Born This Way multi-use concealer in Cocoa. I'm just gonna put that. Boom. Boom, bitch. The whole like manifestation thing, thinking positive, it is getting a lot easier. I'm starting to see like little differences here and there in my life, and it's just going so great, man. I'm just trying to like find myself. I'm trying just to be, you know, more happy. I'm like stuck in between this like decision that I have to make. I always have someone there, as in, hold on, I'm gonna spray a little bit. I'm gonna highlight first with the Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills in bronze, and then on top of that I'm gonna use my Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey. Okay, I feel like I always need someone there, you know, like even though I'm single, I have to like date, I have to like talk to someone, I have to text someone, and I feel like I just have to be by myself. It's easier said than done. Like, you can have a buddy, you can't have someone that you're just having fun with, or that you're just dating and you don't really want anything serious yet. That's only good for someone that knows how to keep their emotions in check. You're gonna have some type of emotion to that person because you're just sharing so much of your life, and that person is kind of part of your life for the moment, and you start to get comfortable, you know. To bronze up, I'm gonna use the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in 60, and then to give it a lot more definition, I'm gonna use my Black Radiance Pressed Powder. I think this is like the darkest shade that they have. I just feel like since I've never been 100% alone, I want to try it. I want to try it and see what happens. Like, yo, I was this close to like hitting someone up because it's a beautiful day. I was so close to hitting, you know, someone up. Oh, let's chill, oh, you want to come over? Like, so close to doing that. But no, I haven't filmed in a while. I'm not focusing on myself. I'm focusing on other people, hanging out with other people, and I gotta get shit done. And I don't need nobody. I don't care if people get mad. because they're still working on them and they cancel on me because they gotta go to school, or they gotta do this, they gotta do that. Yeah, I gotta do shit too. So when I'm off, I try my best to take advantage and do what the fuck I gotta do if I'm falling behind. But I'm gonna use Maui. This is an Orgasm blush stick blush, whatever the fuck. I really love this because this is like the first stick product that just doesn't rub off my makeup. I love that. Oh, look really dewy. Oh yeah, baby, yeah. So we're done with the face. Now I'm just gonna apply some mascara and I'm gonna put on these babies right here. These are Lena by Lashes by Lena. These are Lashes by Lena lashes. They are in the hair Vancha. These are kind of the only like dramatic mink lashes that I have right now, because the other ones I messed them up. Like I slept in it and they just bent. And then another pair I accidentally wet them. They still look really good, but they just don't have that fluff that they had. I'm gonna use my Or Show mascara. To help me out, I usually just tilt my head back and boom, place. I'm gonna mix 3 lip glosses. I'm gonna do 2 from Anastasia. This one is in Rum and this one is in Tara. And then I'm gonna put my Fenty gloss on top. Alright you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will really mean a lot to me. I noticed, oh my god, I've been getting like, okay, I only have like 2 something followers. I'm almost up to 300, but I've been seeing y'all subscribing and I fucks with it. OD. Please don't forget, it will really mean a lot to me. Thank you guys for subscribing, for following me, giving me thumbs up, leaving me comments down below in my video. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys very soon.